Hello and welcome to another Zwift race. This is 3 laps of the Innsbruckring on the Innsbruck map, and I did the stage 5 of the Race the World series earlier today, this afternoon, the City and Sker map, and my legs are a bit tired, but I was still feeling like doing something after work, and I haven't raced this course before, so I thought I'd give it a go. I don't think I've done 2 races on the same day before. I've done a race and then a hill climb race on the same day, but I don't think I've done like 2 like scratch races in the same day. So I thought I'll give that a go as well, and it's probably kind of pretty good training to do that. Good for my endurance, so I thought I'd give it a go. But like, no surprise, I was kind of feeling pretty cooked on this one. And this was one of the like mixed category races where you can see the other categories on the course. And the first time I did one of those, like, I just wasn't prepared for how everyone just kind of chases the A's and tries to kind of stick with them for as long as possible. So I knew that would kind of happen on this one, but I was thinking, yeah, it's going to like drive the pace in a rate that I'm just not going to be able to kind of match and keep up with, and that is what happened. Like when we get to the top of the leg snapper the first time, I just can't stay with the front group, and so I end up kind of forming up with a group behind them. And there's actually a C-Cat rider who's in our group as well. He goes on to win the C category, so yeah, it was a really cool group, so yeah, it was good to ride with them. I think that's probably like about the size of it. I'll just let this one play through, and I'll see you in a minute.
Somebody's out there, someone to calm my mind. Feels like I'm falling, feels like I'm out of time, trapped in a prison, a fortress of solitude, and all my decisions, they led me so far from you. No one knows but me, the pain I put you through. No one knows but me, the reasons why I do the things I do to you. I tried so hard to tell the truth. I made you smile, I made you cry, but no pretend, and I would be your only lover, closer than your best of friends. We can build a life together, we can build a house of cards. But when the storm crashed in on us, you know I wasn't that surprised. Do you know the reasons that we tried? And do you know the reasons our love will never die? 'Cause I'm all for you. I'm in all for
Sometimes that is just